Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Taichi RST645 Carbon Winter Gloves. Okay, as of the time we're shooting this video, these retail for $99.95. Let's dive into sizing real quick. I wear a 2X in almost every common glove out there. I've got on a 2X now, and these fit as I would expect. Very consistent sizing and fit from these gloves. This is a nice short cuff, and it's almost more of a mid-cuff winter glove that has a reasonable amount of insulation. It's waterproof. It has their DryMaster waterproofing. With waterproofing, you'll also, of course, get windproofing, which is critical for cold weather riding. We've got some reflectives here on the fingers, carbon knuckle protector, little carbon palm slider, touchscreen compatibility on the index finger and the thumb, little silicone grip panels here where your fingers touch the levers, Clarino reinforcement here in the palm. To bolster the protection of that little carbon slider, you also have some foam insert behind it. This is important too. Right here at the wrist for the entry and the exit, you have this little gaiter system, but by having the gaiter in there instead of having that wide open, it's going to help protect you from the wind in that area. What temperatures are these going to be good for? You know, we get a question like that quite often with a winter glove. It really depends on what type of bike you're riding, whether it has hand guards or not. Some of the like Ducati Motards or wherever might have some hand guards. That would help a ton. If your hands are out in the wind, you have no protection from the windscreen, you know, I would say when you start getting down in that 40, 50 degree area, you're really on top of the threshold for these gloves. But once again, that's going to depend on your personal internal thermostat and how well you deal with the cold weather. All in all, this is an excellent pair of gloves. Taichi makes some of the finest apparel in the world. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.